Pallet rack is made to be tough, durable enough to withstand bumps and scrapes from daily forklift use in busy warehouse environments. But there are times when a frame is damaged to the point of endangering the strength and integrity of the storage system. In this case, it must be repaired. Repairing a damaged frame can be done while the unit is in place by installing a custom rack repair kit. Proper preparation and careful adherence to the repair instructions will allow you to successfully restore the system with minimal investment. The first step is to visually inspect the rack system, including all frames, beams, row spacers, and other elements that might be present in the system. The next step is to remove all pallets. Walk off the aisle and be sure your team is wearing proper personal protective equipment like safety glasses and hard hats. Check to make sure that you have all necessary tools to complete the installation at the repair location. Also confirm that you have the correct repair kit and position the hardware needed so that it is easily accessible. The cut height of the damaged frame should be obtained from the repair kit and transferred to the undamaged frame of the exact type. Once this is done, the damaged frame can be marked for cutting. Remember, never measure up from the floor directly to the damaged post. The next step is to inspect the jack equipment. First, make sure the jack pressure is released. Then, install all pins and ensure the jack is plumb with the upright. Pressurizing the jack will remove the slack and avoid pinch points. Next, remove the anchor nut and pound the anchor flush with the floor. Keep one hand on the upright while applying pressure to the jack with the other. Once you feel movement, stop. The post should be raised a minimum of only 1/8 inch off the ground. Now you are ready to begin the replacement steps. Cut one side at a time and finish in the front. If needed, you can cut the struts back 1/8 inch while avoiding any welds. The struts must never be removed by bending or tearing out. There can also be no damage to the remaining post when the strut is removed. Now ensure that the anchor is pound down flush with the ground. Place the kit promptly into position. Ensure it is snug and flush without any gap between the kit and the upright. Use welder clamps to position and hold in place. Release a slight amount of pressure from the jack to seat the repair kit to the frame. Then, repressurize the jack to take the pressure off the repair kit. This is a critical step. Next, install bolts or kneaded brackets and secure struts first if applicable. Check alignment for any issues. Placing a level, also ensure that all is plumb. Check the front and the back uprights that they measure at 42 inches. Now drill holes at 15 degrees for anchors and vacuum out the holes. Hammer in anchors and tighten the nuts, using a long 3 count. Release the jack and remove the jack head from the upright. Now for final check and cleanup. Ensure that all the nuts and bolts are installed and secured, and the area around the frame is free of debris and clutter. Sweeping or vacuuming will remove the anchor dust. Complete the final check that all procedures have been followed and the kit is safely and securely in place. For more information regarding Apex rack repair kits or to request a full system safety audit, call the Apex Warehouse team